ocean acidification, which is very much a part of it. We put 110 million tons of global warming pollution into the atmosphere every 24 hours. And about 35 million of those tons go into the ocean, and they dissolve into carbonic acid, and that is what is threatening the oyster beds in Puget Sound. Well, all of it traps heat. And we trap enough. If you take the cumulative amount of global warming pollution that's up there now, man-made, it traps enough extra heat energy every day to represent the amount that would be released by 400,000 Hiroshima-class atomic bombs exploding every 24 hours. Now, it's a big planet we live on, but that is an awful lot of energy. And that is what is disrupting the water cycle. That's what's raising temperatures. The announcement came yesterday that even though we've just started the 12th month of the year, they can already tell this is likely to be the warmest year ever recorded. This is, let's see, this is the 37th year in a row that's warmer than the 20th century average. Last month was the 357th month in a row warmer than the 20th century average. October was the warmest October. We don't have November in yet. It just keeps breaking records all the time. And when I say it's disrupting the water cycle, it does that in various ways. It increases the evaporation of water vapor off the oceans, and it's already increased average humidity on the Earth 4% in just the last 30 years, and that may not sound like a big number, but you get all that extra water vapor up in the sky. These storms that drop the rain, and in winter, if it's cold enough snow, they reach out sometimes 2,000 kilometers to pull that moisture into where it is released. And so we get these record downpours and floods and mudslides. And my condolences to those who lost loved ones in Oso, Washington, earlier this year in that terrible mudslide that cost 43 lives. You know, that same month in Afghanistan, they had a bunch of mudslides that killed almost as many people as all of those killed in the Afghan war during the previous year.